This video will show you how to set up an joint investment account on ETRADE.
So if you want to invest with a partner or family member, and here's how to open a joint account on your ETRADE. You should first go to etrade.com and click on, let's wait for this. You should click the open an account and choose brokerage account. Oh, it doesn't process here, but you should choose brokerage account. Then under account ownership, select joint account, then choose the type or joint tenants with rights of survivorship and tenants in common separate ownership shares. Enter your personal info, then your co-owner's info. Both must have social security numbers, employment info, and legal IDs. Next is link your funding source, like a bank account, to make your first deposit. You can both fund it or just one party to start. After submitting is that you'll receive confirmation once both parties verify their identities. Approval usually takes 1 to 2 business days. And that's it. Your E-Trade joint investment account is ready.